It was in the late 80s, while attending the Berklee College of Music as a student in Boston, Massachusetts, that I had an amazing experience. I was coming from downstairs from the percussion department basement of the 1140 building, and I hear this incredible display of technique. I approach the room, and as I look through the door, I see the master, Jim Shaping, presenting a Moeller technique masterclass. The sounds that I was hearing, and it was incredible. I never saw anybody display such amazing chops of hand technique and Moeller technique. I decided to take a seat and listen to what this man had to say. I was well aware who Jim Shaping was. He was a very famous teacher. I was already studying from his legendary jazz coordination book entitled Advanced Techniques for the Modern Drummer. And so after the masterclass, I approached him and we exchanged phone numbers, and that was the beginning of a great relationship that lasted until his passing. I believe he passed in 2009. Although Jim Shaping was a master jazz coordination teacher, the bulk of our studies was hand technique, specifically the Moeller technique. Now, Jim Shaping was a student of Sanford Moeller who popularized the technique. So it's an honor for me to say to you that I'm part of that legacy, because Jim Shaping studied directly with Sanford Moeller, and I studied for many years with Jim Shaping, the Moeller technique. So I'm really close to the source, and this is just an incredible opportunity to have Jim Shaping share with me some insights into this technique and allowed me to understand what the greatest players are doing and give me the opportunity to use the technique myself. So this is where this information is coming from. When I was studying with Jim Shaping, we really focus on the movements of the Moeller technique, specifically movements that involves 4 strokes, which I now call M4 for Moeller 4 strokes, the Moeller 3, which is 3 strokes, and the Moeller 2, which is 2 strokes. So the course starts with an in-depth studies of the Moeller movement, the Moeller motions on the right hand and the left hand, with Moeller 4, Moeller 3, and Moeller 2. Once the students are familiarized with the movement, we go into technical exercises to create endurance and provide some repetition of the movement. So we do routines with the Moeller 4, Moeller 3, and Moeller 2, and then we spend a few weeks doing that. Then the course presents the students with 2 things, the Matrix 1 and Matrix 2. What are those things? Well, when you play the Moeller movements in triple feel or duple feel, you create certain accents. Those accents is gonna be the creation of a Moeller vocabulary in duple feel and triple feel. So you're gonna end up with 14 different types of rolls. 7 in duple feel and 7 in triple feel. Moeller 4, M4, MP4, M3, MP3, alternating 3s, Moeller 2 and Moeller P2. The P is for pickup notes. So you have a set of 7 rows in duple fill, 7 rows in triple fill. And then after that, we have some snare drum etudes created with this vocabulary. So you're gonna get into music, playing melodic ideas, musical phrases, using the Moeller technique. Then we go into drum set etudes, which is the application of Moeller technique on the hi-hat, on the ride cymbal, on the snare drum, and the full kit to create grooves, fills, and solos. And then we go into improvisation. So this course goes beyond the Moeller technique and goes really into the musical application of the techniques to play in different styles: jazz, Brazilian, Afro-Cuban, rock, funk, shuffles, ways to develop a higher degree of ghosted notes with the Moeller movement. You know, playing things, let's say when you play a shuffle, instead of just playing one note, you have that primarily backbeat followed by, you know, bounces of ghosted notes. So it's a great course. So it goes into really a musical approach to the technique as opposed to just speed and power. And that will allow you to play with more flow, smoothness, more comfortable with up tempos. It really helps your musicality. As a professor at the Berklee College of Music in Boston, Massachusetts, I had the incredible opportunity to also design courses for the department. One of the most popular courses on the percussion department is this course that I designed and taught for the past 12 years, the Moeller Technique course. The popularity was so incredible that we offer at least 2 sections of this course per semester. If you make the math, if you count fall, spring, and summer semesters, so that's so far 36 semesters. If you have about 8 to 10 students in 2 sections, that's a lot of people that went through this program. So I know it works. If you're interested in take you playing to a whole other level, I know a lot of people focus on some aspects of the Moeller technique, like the fast rolls and playing with speed and power, but there is stuff way beyond that. If you look the way Dave Wueko is approaching this technique to better playing grooves on the hi-hat and the right cymbal, the left hand facilitating lighter playing, you know, when you play a shuffle, for instance, instead of just playing one main backbeat, you have the backbeat and ghost notes, even 2 notes, or even what I call triple ghosting. And play more relaxed without tension, with fluidity. This is the course for you. I've been teaching this for a long time, and I have witnessed the transformation of players who are really tense to all of a sudden open up, to be more relaxed, to play more musical, and you know, play faster tempos at ease and without tension. This is a great course for that. So if you want to take this course, I guarantee you that it's going to transform your playing, and your playing is going to get closer and closer to the masters, to the legends. So let's go.